Okay, these are my Birkenstocks. It's been a few months since I first posted them up and did a review on them. Now it's time to do a little bit of maintenance on them. They've gotten a little used, and I think I'm going to put some mink oil on them and treat the cork. You'll see the process. As you can see, I took them out of the buckles, the straps, and touched them up with a light damp cloth. Cleaned them up just a bit. I'm going to put some mink oil on it. Mink oil works well with all smooth leathers. If you're ever in the Marines, you saw this. Just a little spit shine action here. Working it well. A little spit. That's what I call it, spit shine. If this had seams on it, or obvious seams, you'd work it into the seams well. Okay, now we'll leave it for a day. I'll buff them out tomorrow and I'll work on the cork. Okay, you can see that they have really taken the mink oil in. They could probably go for another application, and probably in a month's time I will. Rub with this old terry cloth here. Okay, now I'm going to treat the cork on it. Now I'm in the process of treating the cork. I'll show the product here in a second. This dries fairly quickly, so I could use my Birkenstocks in a second. This is the product that I'm using. Okay, here are the two products I used. One was Kiwi Mink Oil, and the other is Kelly's Cork Renew. And we get this online, or you can get it in a shoe shop or whatever.